Each color square is a different set of feelings.
The x-axis is used to represent how pleasant we feel. What's the y-axis?
How much energy you have? High energy and high pleasantness, he ends up in the yellow. So it says to color in the quadrant of the mood meter that shows how you are feeling right now. Can you think of a feeling more?
You are becoming so aware of your feelings and learning how to label them, and that is such an important part.
I found this article that said that scientists studied it and that they've actually identified 27 like distinct emotions.
Wait, so the energy is
But it's
higher
kinda
up
good to
here?
analyze like what's the difference in a bunch of ones that seem like they're down. How down?
Yeah.
After we finish identifying different parts of the mood meter, we're actually going to talk about how can we shift from one color to another.
So it's not always a bad thing to be over on this side of the chart. It doesn't mean, oh gosh, you should just go home and hide under your bed. No.
There's not all bad. Maybe after you don't do well at a test and you feel slightly discouraged, maybe it ends up encouraging you to study more for the next test, and then that's a good thing.
This is for you to look at and to find peace with, and to try to move yourself out of the red quadrant if and when you're ready. Henry, what do you think?
I think they're listening to music.
There you Listen to music.
Imagine that you have a jar and you're putting all your thoughts into that jar.
What is this actually about? Why do we even have this chart? Yeah, Claire.
To remind us how we want to act and be in a community.
So what stands out to me is it's not about rules, it's about how you want to feel.
In order to feel this way, we will use time, words, and action, work together, build each other up, and do what we know is right.
I'm so proud of you guys. You have done such hard work at regulating emotions and coming up with strategies, and I'm very proud.